common question I get asked a lot is, what are your interest rates? And it's just the only thing that clients usually know to ask. But from being in the business, this is my advice to the people looking out there. If I were looking to do a loan, I would be asking more questions. And the questions would be is, what are your interest rates? I would already know what's competitive and not, because I would have looked around a little bit and I would say, okay, well, that's a pretty good rate, or that's competitive. I would know not to choose the absolute lowest interest rate. Because here's the reason why, is because sometimes when you get an absolute lowest, you are forcing that lender to go, if they're a broker, to go to a lender that has the absolute lowest interest rates, which may be helpful to you on your payment for a few bucks here and there. But the downside is a lot of times those lenders do not have good support staff. They do not have good, lenient underwriters. They're not able to problem solve when things happen. And what you can get is you can get time delays. You can get stressful hassles with underwriting conditions. You can get it to where the loan just doesn't move forward, or if you need feedback from a lender. There's a lot of different things that go on behind the scenes. What you want is a competitive rate. You want a lender that's knowledgeable, the loan officer. You want them knowledgeable to be able to foresee any issues and structure your loan correctly. You want to have a world-class processor, someone who handles everything and you feel taken care of. You want to have a loan company that has a good staff and they're quick and efficient. They're efficient at solving problems and also getting quick turnaround on anything that's needed for loans so that deadlines can be met. And you want a good sales rep within that other lender that is working with you and can get things done at the last minute. That's kind of like fire or health insurance. It is worth its weight in gold. Sometimes it seems unnecessary to have to value that, but when you need it, it is invaluable. So anyways, these are all the different things that I would look forward. And these are, anytime you work with me, I will always get you a very competitive interest rate, but I'll also get all those other things. But sometimes when clients push only for interest rate, they force us to go to someone who may be good at interest rate or have the lowest one, but may not have all those other things, which can make it very rocky or stressful, unnecessarily so, during the transaction. So the best thing you can do, be competitive, but trust your loan officer and go from there. Talk to you later.